Okay, guys. So on today's video, we'll be talking about the market preview on Euro USD. So I came across this tweet on Twitter. It talked about the 1 year challenge. It was suggested by at Akpan, if I'm promised Akpan. So I kind of bought into the idea. So I decided to, join the challenge, the 1 year challenge, and I'll be doing my own in form of documentary on my YouTube channel. Every day, I'll be posting the trades I take, my market review, which is done on Sundays, then my market review, which I do on Friday or Saturdays. So this is my first market review on Euro USD based on the 1 year challenge that I just joined. So I hope to see how far we'll go in the next 1 year, to track our growth or to see how far we'll be in the next 1 year. So let's hop into the chart. So this is Euro USD. We are looking at the 1 month time frame currently. So you can see here, price traded into this AVG here. This was the April candlestick. So price traded into the FVG here, filled it. Then the May candlestick closed bearish. The May candlestick closed bearish. So I'm actually expecting on the my IOF or my draw liquidity on the monthly time frame is actually this monthly FVG here. I'm expecting price to fill this monthly FVG. So, but first, price has to take out this liquidity here. These two, this is also a swing low here. So I'm expecting price to take out this swing low here, which is an equal low here. Then trade into this monthly FVG. So on the weekly time frame, we can actually see price took out this buy side liquidity here. Price took out this buy side liquidity. Sorry. Okay, so price took out this buy side liquidity here. Then started trading lower. That is after it have also traded into the monthly FVG, which is there. But actually, I was expecting price to take out this high resistivity here. This is also a resistance zone here, very high resistance zone here. So I was actually expecting price to take it out. Sorry, I said resistance. I meant support. So this is actually resistance, turn support here. So I'm actually expecting price to have taken out this liquidity here. Then we will start trading lower. But anyways, price traded into the 1 month FVG, then started trading lower. But here's the thing, price traded into this weekly order block here. This is the weekly order block, a bullish order block. So price traded into it, and if you see here, we could see that price respected this level. So this is it. On the weekly time frame, I will be actually be standing on the two sidelines, which is I'm expecting price to take this out. So this is it. I'm expecting price to come here, go trade into this FVG here, or this is actually high resistivity FVG. This is a low probability this is a high probability FVG, which is very conservative. This is the low probability FVG, which is the aggressive FVG. So I'm actually expecting price to trade into this place. Then we could actually go further to take out here, then take out this, trade back into this, and then take out this, trade into the monthly FVG. So if price doesn't do this, price might also be taking out this in one stretch. Like price might just continue coming down, take out this, trade into the next FVG, that might be anywhere here. Okay, let's just use this again, trade into this FVG here, then come down into this monthly FVG. So this is just it. This is what we might be expecting on the weekly time frame, which is the main place or the main time frame I usually get my draw on liquidity. So if this low, if this low is defended, this weekly low, which is the If this low is defended, then we might be seeing price to trade into this place. This is also an FVG here, but kind of low probability FVG here. So if this low is defended, then we might be seeing price to trade into this FVG here and this FVG here. So actually, on my monthly time frame, I'm bearish. On the weekly time frame, I'm kind of bearish bullish, but depending on what the Monday, that is this week's Monday and Tuesday candlestick would present, then I will then use it as a confirmation. But then it's actually not clear. So I will be staying off the market until it becomes clear to me. So for high probability stake, if this place is taken out, then I will be taking a sell to this equal low is taken out, or probably here. So I'm actually too biased on the daily and weekly time frame, which is not that good. My price has to be one-sidedness, which is you have to have a clear drawn liquidity in order for you to trade to get the high probability setup. So if this low is defended, I will actually be trading up. But let's just see what Monday and Tuesday will be giving. So on the daily time frame, we could actually see price actually took out this buy side, sell side liquidity. Sorry, this is the sell side liquidity. The up is buy side liquidity, as you can see here. So price took out this sell side liquidity, traded into this FVG here, then traded into the weekly order block. And also this is also your daily order block here. Price traded into it, then gave a BMX here, gave a BMX here by taking out this swing high here. BMX here. So price took out this BMX here. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to get a clear. Okay, you can see. So sorry. On the 4-hour, it seems to become more clear on the 4-hour, but then based on our monthly time frame being bearish, price always respect the higher time frame bias more. So we can actually see here, this was a sell side liquidity taking here, which is the 2022 ICT mentorship. This is it, sell side liquidity taking. So this kind of this sell side liquidity taking here. This okay, yeah. Social liquidity taking. I'm saying this based on the 2022 ICT YouTube mentorship. If you have gone through the videos, you will see a intermediate shift in market structure here and then return to FVG, which is our entry. Like I do say, the first FVG, whenever you see two FVG, the first one is usually the conservative, while the one below to the place where your stop loss would be, or the one below the first one is actually your aggressive FVG. So this is actually our aggressive FVG here, which is our entry. So for me to be entering this trade now, actually, okay, this is just my bias for this week. I'm expecting price to actually respect this based on the ICT YouTube mentorship. I will be hoping for price to respect this, that way will be going up. But so far, this low is respected. If this low is respected, then we'll actually be seeing price shooting up to this FVG here before we can go down. So let's just go to the 1-hour time frame to check out SOF. So you can see the 1-hour time frame. So look, like I will actually be expecting price to actually might come here to take out this liquidity here. This is actually a sell side liquidity. So price might be coming down to take out this liquidity here, or here, anywhere. price might actually be coming down to this place here too. So even to this point, price might be coming down. But where the point whereby I will be changing my bullish bias based on the weekly time frame is if this place is taken out. Then if once this place is taken out, it becomes in line with the monthly time frame, which makes it a better place for you to sell, which makes it a better option for you to sell, because the monthly time frame is already bearish. The weekly, if the weekly turns bearish, then the daily turns bearish. That means it's actually a high probability setup to be taking it will be a better opportunity to actually be selling the Euro USD down. So before we close this pre-market analysis, let's check the XY and see what the XY has for us from the monthly time frame. Okay. So from the monthly time frame on the XY, the XY usually correlates with the Euro USD. I think 99% or probably let's just say 90% or 80%. DXY usually correlates. Whenever DXY is going up, we expect Euro USD to be going down and vice versa. So on the monthly time frame, we could actually see what DXY is doing here. It's created a swing low, and actually a swing low is a confluence to identify a pattern, to identify a reversal pattern. So it's actually created a swing low here, which is a reversal pattern. So I'm actually expecting price to take out this swing high here, which is our draw on liquidity, to take out this swing high based on the monthly time frame, to take out this swing high, then trading into this AVG here. So which you can see it is actually in line with the Euro USD monthly time frame. Euro USD monthly time frame we are expecting to sell, and the Euro USD DXY monthly time frame we are expecting to buy. So let's go check the weekly time frame to see what we have. Okay, on the weekly time frame, we could actually see price took out this sell side liquidity very little, then started going up, traded into this other block here. You could actually see this other block here, traded into this other block. So I'm actually expecting price to, on the weekly time frame, trade into this place. Then before the end of this is just probability, before the end of maybe June, we might be seeing price taking out this place. So let's go to the daily time frame to see. On the daily time frame, we could actually see that this can also serve as a sell-side liquidity, this swing low here. Because even if price will take out this swing low, it doesn't mean that we are fully bearish. You understand? It doesn't mean we are fully bearish. So I might be expecting price to come take out, to trade into this weekly FVG, then take out this in form of sell-side liquidity, then we'll be going back up to take out the buy-side liquidity. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is what we have on the 4-hour time frame. So you could actually see, so this is also going to serve as a follow, which is a liquidity area where price might be targeting in the future. Follow. So price might actually be targeting this place. It's called this resistance zone. Resistance. This is actually a resistance zone. So price might be taking it out, trading into the weekly FVG. So let's just be watching. So the 1-hour time frame. So this is just our 1-hour time frame. So this is it for our market review. So on Euro USD monthly time frame, I'm bearish. On the weekly time frame, which is the main time frame whereby the weekly IOF or my drawn liquidity for the week is actually determined, I'm actually not sure yet, due to price might be going up, price might be going down. But if this is actually taking out this low, once this low is taken out, then I'm fully sure that we'll be going down. Not fully sure, though it's still based on probability. Then we might be seeing price pushing lower. So that's just it for the market review. Let's just hope and see what this week would give us. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.